Do not quit this video if you want your videos to rank high in search. To rank high in search, you need to create videos people are actively seeking, but that is not enough. A quick disclaimer here. During the upload process of a video, if you move to the tags section, you will see that YouTube says tags can be useful if the content of your video is misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in your video's discovery, but tags are very important if you want your videos to show up in search. With tags, YouTube looks at it to recommend your videos to others. So if you include something people are searching for on YouTube to your tags, when they search for that, YouTube would recommend your video and your channel to them. At the end of this video, I will share the analytics of my YouTube videos to show you that tags really help get your videos pushed to people when they search anything on YouTube, even Google. Subscribe to this channel for more. Let's get into adding tags to your YouTube video. After you drag and drop the video you are uploading into YouTube, make sure as the upload process is taking place, you give the video a searchable title. And for a searchable title, you should make sure you include these keywords. Add words like how to, easy way, why, what, and the others. The words you add at the beginning should be the words that start a question if you want your videos to rank high in search. But more on that in a different video. With your title in place, make sure you also add a description to your video. The description you add should contain the keywords of your video, which are in the title, and what you would be adding in the tags. More on that also in a different video. Now let's add tags to our videos. Before that, make sure you have installed the Vidiq Chrome extension. Let me know in the comment section if you want a video on that also. With the Vidiq Chrome extension installed, when you move to the tags section on the upload process page, you can see that Vidiq will look at your title and description and suggest some keywords for you. Click on the plus icon by them to add them to your tags. You can also manually type the tags or keywords you feel must be added to your video to rank high in search. But for the easiest way, move to the YouTube website and search for the idea of your video. If let's say the video you are uploading to YouTube is how to delete your YouTube channel, search for that on YouTube and take very good note of the first 5 videos that pop up from the search results, because we assume they are the trendy videos in that topic. With the Vidiq Chrome extension installed, you can see the tags used by those videos. Just copy the tags from the individual videos one after the other and paste it in your video tags section. When you are done, you have to remove some of the tags so that you get tags less than 500, because you can only add 500 tags to a video on YouTube. Now with everything set up, you can see at the top right side of the page there is this actionable SEO score, which rates your video details to 50 to see if your video will be able to get pushed to a large number of people. With all this out of the way, continue with the upload process and publish your video to YouTube. You can now see the analytics of some of my videos. I use this method, and you can see I am getting traffic sources from YouTube search and also Google search, because Google is recommending my videos to people when they search on their platform. Let us know in the comment section what you think about tags on your YouTube videos. If you have watched the video to this point and learned something new, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel to get notified when we release a new video. If you want to learn how to upload videos using Vidiq to increase your views, I will leave that video on the end cards. See you next time. Peace out.